Good afternoon. It is, almost ran off the road. It is April Fool's 2019. So this one, let's see, this is house 6. Back whenever we first bought it, it needed a deck really bad. So kind of counted that into the price and had that done before the tenants moved in. So the fence on one side was leaning pretty bad, rotted, poster rotted, everything. So it was my plan to fix that or get it fixed, but I wanted the house to make a little bit of money before I did that. So I go over for just the regular routine HVAC maintenance, change filters, whatever. And the tenant shows me, first of all, he tells me that one of their dogs has been escaping through the fence where it's rotted. And he was smart enough to, I guess, hit one of the slats. And so the dog ran away. So, of course, the dog came back. Everything was good there. But the fence was also leaning. So he had taken, and I wish I would have taken video of this, but he had taken rope and 4 stakes and attached the rope to the fence and pulled it back to somewhat square, and then had stakes in the ground, and that's the way he was holding it. So anyhow, these tenants always pay on time. In fact, they pay 5 days early every month. I never hear from them for anything, but I hated to put that much money into the fence right now, but yeah, it needed to be done. So I didn't take it before. I'm going to try to find a picture. I don't think I have any that show how bad the fence was leaning, but I may throw one in here just to, just to show the fence. But it's funny, whenever I was talking to the contractor who's going to be doing the fence, I was under the impression that, and I'll show this whenever I get out and do the video of the fence, but I was under the impression that the fence on both sides was mine, and apparently it's not. So I got a call from the neighbor telling me, hey, that just want to make sure that we're both on the same page, that part was, or the other side was his, which was good because it was cheaper for me. But anyhow, I'm going to stop by there and just take a look. The contractor finished it up a couple days ago, so just going to take a look, see what it looks like, and I'll start you back up then. Did a real good job. Oh, well, very smooth. Looks like he just sistered a board onto the one that was already there. That's the old latch. Nice solid gate. So this is where my fence ends. And I thought, just because of the way this one's faced, I thought this one was mine too, but it's not. So that was good. Again, saved me some money. I'm told there's a lot of doo-doo back here. I don't see any though. So this is the deck that he did, and it's still holding up really well. It's about time for some stain though. Well, looks really good. He told me that he cut the posts on purpose this way, slanted this way, so that the water would drain off of them and not rot. So, and whenever I got here the other day, they were having to pull about 30 feet of the fence here down, the planks down, because the guys, he left them alone for just a little bit and they did it wrong. So I can't even tell where he pulled them down. Looks great. There's doo-doo. Oh God, there's doo-doo everywhere. Dang. Alright, so this back portion of the house, or of the yard, backs up to a park. And, you know, they have dogs. So he went through and put all this chain link fence up. So, looks good. I'm fine with that. There's also frisbee golf right on the other side, and apparently frisbees get thrown over here all the time. So anyhow, that's it. New deck, new fence. What was that on the top of the deck? Looks like a, is that a light? Oh yeah, it's a little solar light. Huh. Atomic beam. Alright. Must be a motion detect. Okay, well, that's it. Looks good. Like I said, I'll try to find a picture of the way it looked before, but it was awful. Leaned over, terrible. And I managed to not step in doo-doo. Alright. Okay, that's it for this one. Until next time.